So guys, I'm gonna show you the tomato ground. Now this is the fine tomato that I planted. Yes, this also needs some weeding and such. Yes, this also need weeding. As you can see, there's a lot of bush and thing in there, but everything will get done in due time. So this is the tomato, and I also use the same type of fertilizer for this, the same mixture. So I'm gonna get these spray off as well. And I had planned some sweet pepper to plant through this, but it never bust 100. So right now I have like one sweet pepper in here. I'll show you guys. I never get much. I think I showed you guys in a previous video. The sweet pepper didn't bust out at all, but they're starting to blossom. You can see the blossom there, so. And even the tomatoes have blossom on it. Oh my god. Yeah, so guys, this is the tomato ground. And I went ahead and I planted some melon through it. I'm gonna show you guys the melon in a bit. So guys, this is the tomato. I know the sun is very hot, so I can't get a good view. Oh my god, this tree is so big. Look at that. Get them spray off on something. So these are the melon that I planted in here. That's why I can't weed out this yet, because I need the rest of melon to burst before I start weeding it. And then I have some bean at the side, the edges. I want to get that stake so I can keep away all the eyes from out of my ground. So yes guys, this is what's going on my farm. That's my sister up there sitting down. So I don't know if you guys remember when this was like bare grass. So everything is coming along nicely guys. I just need to get these things weed out, and then I'll have a prettier ground. When I weed out the ground, it look prettier. So when I get rid of all these bush and something. So this is the melon, and this is extreme melon. This is extreme. Yeah, the melon plant is extreme, and the tomato, I think tomato is 4 or 5 or something like that. I don't remember. I don't keep track of those things. And here I have tomato and sweet pepper in one hole. Don't worry guys, the tomato is going to fall on the ground, and then the sweet pepper will get the space to flourish. Because once you don't stake tomato, it's going to fall on the ground. So that's what's going on for the tomatoes. And these are the tomatoes that they use, like I've planted some melon here as well. They haven't bust as yet. I'm gonna plant some more again because I don't have the time to plant everything one time, because I've been doing so many things. Yeah, so these are the tomatoes you use, like if you make sauce or something, you cut it up and put it in there and all of that. So yes guys, I think I'm gonna left and get some work done right now, because I have to spray, and then I have to plant some more melon right in here. So I'm gonna get that done. So bye for now.